boys didn't want to help me cook tonight, so this is going to be a really short video, but we made chicken pesto pasta with homemade pesto. The boys were a little bit disappointed that I was not making a green smoothie, and I am waiting for the chicken to be done, and then we will review.
No, I don't want a picture.
I'm not taking a picture.
What? Then why are you putting it up to your neck?
I was taking a video. Well, Bruce and James loved the pesto pasta, even though James and Bruce both did not really want to be on camera. But another 5 stars from the 2-year-old and the 5-year-old. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips, tricks, reviews, and, you know, life with me and my boys. I'm Heidi.